Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new over here, my name is Unmesha. I'm a first-time mom and I will be sharing my journey of motherhood with you all. Today we are going to talk about what to expect with a 4-month-old baby, the milestones, the feeding patterns and some helpful tips along with some teething knowledge. If you think you're in the same boat as me, don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting content. So let's go. Okay, so now let's talk about sleep because we all want to know when we are going to get a good night of sleep, right? So the first thing is called sleep regression. Sleep regression is something that babies go through at this age where they wake up very frequently and they have shorter nap times. For the naps at night sleep, babies at this age usually sleep around 14 to 16 hours a day and with 2 to 3 naps in the middle as well. So it's totally normal if your baby is sleeping less or more at this point, but this is something that I have noticed with Aryavir. The other thing that is very common at this age is self-soothing. So babies learn how to self-soothe at this age where they will use their hands or something to soothe themselves at this point. So it's nice to give them a toy or a blanket that soothes them and helps this process for them. So let's talk about feeding. Feeding is also another very important topic at 4 months of age. So at this age, the babies usually feed around every 3 to 4 hours. So it depends on what you are giving them. It could either be breast milk or formula, directly breast milk or pumped breast milk from the bottle as well. To check for readiness of if your baby is actually ready to have some solids, the pediatricians over here recommend that baby should start solid food around 6 months of age. But to see if your baby is getting ready for solid food, you should notice some changes in their head control. They should be able to hold their head very well and they should be having a good hand-eye coordination at this point, which will make them ready to be starting solid foods. As a dentist myself, I have noticed a few early teething signs with Aryavir, where I can see that he's drooling much more than usual. You can see the bib that we've put for him. He is also a little irritable when it comes to teething. You can see that he's grabbing objects and just biting really hard on them. He is of disturbed sleep also, I would say, because I feel like the gums irritate a little bit. So it gives them a very disturbed sleep. So it is okay if your child is not showing these signs as yet, but this is something that I have noticed in my 4-month-old baby.
At 4 months, there are also a lot of developmental changes. So for example, if you see Aryavir, he has a lot more head control at this point, where his neck muscles are getting stronger and he's able to hold his head higher and steadily during the tummy time. He has also started rolling over and has an improved hand-eye coordination. So you see him reaching out for toys and the red fishies in his playmat at this point. He's also become more social and more vocal, where he is talking and making giggly sounds.
For his next doctor's appointment, the doctors usually check with you for the circumference of their head to see if the baby is cooing, giggling, looking at you, smiling at faces, seeing if he's following you around, following sounds that he hears, and a much more happier state than usual. Some other things that are checked at the doctor's appointment are the height, the weight of your baby. They'll let you know about what percentile your baby falls into and if everything is going well. Some other things that can help are introducing a good routine for sleep. So you can give them a nice warm bath, some massage with some nice oils and some warm milk after that, and then just a good bedtime story maybe. We should encourage tummy time. Tummy time was something that he used to not really enjoy initially, but now he does. And we can increase the time as we go because it really helps with their muscle development and even digestion for some. The other reason why tummy time is important is because it helps with strengthening the core muscles. So it'll help him to sit upright very quickly. As you can see, he's actually trying to sit independently at this point. So it's coming soon. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna keep making some videos on baby content, some reviews of the products that I have bought on Amazon, some gifts that I have received, and how much we've used it and how useful it is. So stay tuned to my channel and like and subscribe. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.